Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mr.Matrix. This is your Lammatha Sritanishq. So today I am going to show you how to solve battery icon missing problem in the taskbar. As you see, my battery icon is missing and it is not there in the hidden icons also. So just follow my steps to get it again back. Right click on the taskbar and open the task manager. After opening the task manager, select Windows Explorer. Search for Windows Explorer. After selecting Windows Explorer, click on Restart. Wait for some time, friends. After restarting, we can find the battery icon. In this way, we can solve the issue of battery missing icon. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. This is your Lammatha Sritanishq. Thank you.